Hello, welcome to Movasi demo. I want to take you through how one can log in and use the application. The first thing that you'll do in this case, you'll put your personal information. That will be your name, date of birth, um, your gender, phone number, and email. Email here, the email that you commonly use. So you'll always add it, use it, and you'll be receiving notification from the application anytime you make transaction. The next thing that you'll do is you'll put in the information on your location, that will be your country, then state, county, or district, or your town or city, then your street. Just like as you can see, mine is Kenya, then I come from Nairobi. I'm staying in Nairobi, but at the moment, Embakasi. Then next thing is that your two persons of your close contact. This one should be your next of kin. If you are married, if you are or your parents or your brother, someone that can be easily be reached in case of any eventuality. So in that case, I was doing this memo. I use my mom there. I also put the details of my brother there. The second person. So you put the relationship and the contact, the personal contact that they frequently use. So the next thing will be now creating your login details. Remember, you already put in your email, so the system will automatically pick your email account. Then you'll create your password. Now you can create your password. As you can see, now they are creating my password. Then you click next, proceed. Now, the moment you click proceed, the system will send you system ID, the ID that the system will identify you with, and the code that you proceed with to log further into the system. The long digit number top there is for the system ID. Now you can log in. Remember the password you already created. You log in. Now my email is still the same. Don't change, because this email will help you. Now the other code that you are sent to the email. This one now you put the code. Mother tap here was 21. Okay, as you can see, then proceed. Now that code now activates my account further. Now I've activated my account. At this moment, I cannot still not see any information or even money that in my wallet until I upload my passport photo size. Once you have activated your code, you further upload your passport photo size, so that you can unlock your wallet, so that you can see the amount that you have in the system, in your wallet system. So here I added mine. So that's my passport photo. Once you update it, it is going to resize very well. Now from here, it unlocks now my wallet. I can see the amount that I have. You see the system ID that was sent to my email. There it is. That is now is whatever I use for any transaction. So from here, I can now send money. But before you send money, you have to enter the ID of the person you are sending money to. Now, once you enter that ID, system will identify the person, will bring the image of the person. And you can see I'm sending money to Evans. I'm sending the amount entered. So now you see the transaction. I entered 100 and the transaction that the charges that are associated to it. Now, Evans is going to receive this money successfully. Now, another thing, I can pay for business. Businesses also have got their business system-based ID. The business ID are unique. They start with 8. Now, I want to pay for services for these financial technologies, and that's the business ID for financial. Now, I want to pay. I'm paying 100 shillings. That's the amount. Charges, there's no forex charge in this case. And the total charges there is 0. So I enter, in case you have an invoice, you can put an invoice in those 2 blanks that you've seen there. So that amount is sent successfully. I can withdraw money also from an agent. Agent number is also unique, starts with 5. This system-based agent ID starts with 5. So in this case, I'm still the agent, so I'm withdrawing money from myself. So I enter the amount. Remember, I'm the agent, I'm still withdrawing money from myself as the agent. So I have withdrawn 100. The agent is still in, but I'm still the one withdrawing money from the agent. Meaning that I can, being a user, I can also be an agent once I meet all the requirements that are required to be an agent. The policy around agents, we are going to outline them in the next few months. So any transaction that I do, you can see this is my wallet in and my wallet out report. Wallet in if there's a deposit, out if there's withdrawal, if there is any kind of any transaction that affects my wallet, you see it here. All the transaction, wallet in, if you click wallet in, it brings you all the reports. If you click wallet out, brings you all the report. Wallet out, money taking, transaction taking money out of the wallet. Wallet in, transaction taking money, bringing money into the wallet. So I told you earlier that I'm an agent. I can as well be an agent. So in this case now I'm an agent. I want to facilitate deposit. I want to facilitate withdraw. The money that I've withdrawn for myself as an agent. Now this is, I want to withdraw it and we'll see what happens once it is withdrawn. So I'm depositing, the person receiving money in this case is still me. So I'm depositing money for myself. But remember, I'm an agent, but I'm depositing money. So once you put that ID, it brings me the image of the customer. I put the ID for the customer. So those are the charges when it comes to deposits. This person receiving the money still, in this case, as who is still me, and that money is deposited successfully. So transaction, as an agent, I earn commission for every transaction that I make. So the other withdrawal request I'd requested earlier, now this is it. I can either proceed to withdraw it or cancel it or go back to confirm other few things. So here I'm withdrawing that money for myself. So I've withdrawn 100 and this is the transaction. Once now that money has been withdrawn successfully. So I can check my float, how my floats have been affected, float in. So my floating, there's nothing been affected by my float out has been affected because of deposit. A commission, as an agent, I can also check my commission that I've received and commission that I had withdrawn. I can check. All those reports will always be there. So I can click to withdraw and go back. There's no problem. So I still can still go back again as a personal user. So this process is still just a repetition of what we have done. So I send money. I enter the ID of the customer or the family friend that I'm sending money to. That's the ID. I'm sending money to Evans. That ID brings me the image of the Evans. The amount I'm sending in 100. Those are the charges associated to 100 shillings. The money has been received successfully. So I can pay for services, goods, and services for e-commerce purposes or any other business that accept digital payment. So I enter the business ID if I want to pay for those services. And so those are the transaction charges. I can put the invoice number if I like. So as also withdrawing money from an agent, I enter the agent number that I'm withdrawing money from. That's the agent. I'll see the agent. The system doing the image of the agent. Now amount that I'm withdrawing. In this case, I'm withdrawing 2,000. Those are the charges associated to the draw. Send. Remember, this is the agent. That cash is withdrawn successfully. The agent will receive a notification from his or her end. So all that now, those are the withdrawal reports that or withdrawal requests that I've sent so far as a customer. So I will always see my withdrawal reports, but immediately the agent facilitate withdraw, all these reports will always be taken backend. Now my wallet in reports are this. My wallet out reports are this. Wallet in affected by money going to my wallet, wallet out affected by money going out of my wallet. So as an agent, you can see I also earning commission. In this case, I have 250 shillings that I've made so far during transaction. I can now I facilitate the deposit for the client. That's the ID of the client that I'm depositing money for. That is going to bring that ID will bring the image of the client. Then I put in the amount that I'm depositing. Those are the charges associated to that transaction, and it is deposited successfully. Now I want to withdraw As an agent, I want to withdraw for the client this money. So I proceed to withdrawing. The customer will give me a code. The customer has a code on his report the other side that will give me to enter here. Once I enter, that code is what will proceed. As an agent, I don't have that code. I don't have the code. Then I proceed. And I withdraw. Those are the charges associated to that. The commission that I'll get. And then it is finished. It's successful. The successfully withdrawn. Commission, any commission that this report now, the commission end report tells me the kind of money the commissions are making. Commission out tells me whether how much I've withdrawn. So commission in will always let me know how I'm receiving, how much I'm earning. So I can also withdraw my commission. Amount of money. An agent will not incur any cost while withdrawing their commission. It will also be zero. So that commission is drawn. So the agent can now physically take their money and use for other activities. This system is very excellent. It says that the technology that has been used to build it is very quick in terms of operation and efficiency. All transactions are almost instant. Thank you very much for taking your time to go through the system. Thank you very much.